Hi everyone. Today we will learn about ease of living index which is released today. Here in the picture you can see the four parameters of this ease of living index, which is quality of life, economic ability, sustainability and citizen perception survey. Okay. We will see more details about this. First we have to understand that this index, which is ease of living index, is released by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. Okay, so when they are making the rank list, they will be making the rank list in two classification. One is under cities which are having population greater than 1 million. Okay, and another list of cities which are having population less than 1 million. Okay, so the total cities, there are about 111 cities, and in that 49 cities are having population greater than 1 million and 62 cities are having population less than 1 million. Okay, so when they are ranking, that will be based on the population also. Ranking will not be based on the population, but they will be making these cities into a separate category, and based on that they will be ranking only. Okay, so then they are making ranking, there will be a category 1 in which the cities will be having a population greater than 1 million, and another category in which cities will be having population less than 1 million. Okay, so let us first see the ranks which is in top. Okay, if you are looking at the first category, that is greater than 1 million population, the first place is backed by Bangalore, and second place is by Pune, and third place is for Ahmedabad. Okay, and in the 1 million category itself, greater than 1 million category itself, there are low standing cities also. Dhanbad, Bareilly, and the worst city is Srinagar. Okay, so these are low ranking cities. They are Dhanbad, Bareilly and Srinagar. Okay, so if you are looking into the second category, that is cities which is having less than 1 million population, Shimla stands first, second one is Bhubaneswar, and third one is Silvassa. Then in this category, the lowest place is for Muzaffarpur. Okay, in this index they will be mainly focusing on the quality of life of the people and also the impact of schemes of this urban administration. Okay, I have already show you the picture. That is here we have the parameters in which they will be looking these four parameters mainly. One is quality of life, second one is economic ability, then third one is sustainability, and fourth one is citizen perception survey. Okay, with the main headings you can see subheadings also. Okay, like in the quality of life, they will be looking at the education, health, housing, etc. Okay, so all those things are not important for us. The thing which is important is that we have four parameters and they are these four parameters. Okay, so keep these parameters in mind. Then there is one more index which is known as Municipal Performance Index. Okay, this is also released by the central government. Here also we have two categories. One is greater than 1 million population and another one is less than 1 million population. In the greater than 1 million population category, the first place is for Indore, and second place is for Surat, and third place is for Bhopal. And in the category with cities having less than 1 million population, New Delhi Municipal Corporation stands first, and second position is for Tirupati, and third position is for Gandhinagar. Okay, so we have two index. One is ease of living index, that is for general, and also we have one municipal performance index also. Okay, so why government is ranking cities based on its performances? We have, for the namesake, we have two advantages mainly. One is that it will increase healthy competition between the cities. And another one is that by this increased healthy competition, there will be an increased incentives for the cities to improve the services, okay, because these services are surveyed and these surveys are used for the rankings, okay. So citizen survey is an important factor here. So definitely the urban administration will try to improve their maximum to provide better care and facilities for the people who are living in the cities, okay. So in between the cities there will be a competition and they will try their best to give the best services to the people who are living in that cities, okay. That in turn will improve the quality of life of the people, okay. So this is the advantages of this ease of living index prepared by the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. So that's all. Thank you.